Hey there, alchemists. It's Alexis Gritz here from Edible Alchemy on Crete. This is episode 4 of Edible Alchemy on Crete, and every episode we're focusing on different techniques on how to preserve food, how to preserve traditional methods of working with food, how to collect different wild plants. And right now it's kind of in the middle of winter, and our preserved fruit that we're going to focus on today is lemons. So it is lemon season, it's orange season as well, and mandarin. And I just love this fruit. Often what people are doing here is cutting it open and squeezing it onto their foods to brighten up the plate. And it totally works. It's a great acidifier. However, I thought, let's get this fruit into the rest of the year, into the rest of the seasons. So what I've done in this episode is candied the lemons. We have candied and crystallized lemons, which you could also add to your probiotic yogurts, the Greek yogurt, of course. And it comes also with a beautiful syrup often that I add to my water kefir drinks. And the other method is a fermentation technique, which is the salted Moroccan lemons. So this one is just salt and lemons, no added water, just the lemon juice from lemons. And it takes some time to do. We'll get through it in the video. So enjoy the video and the topic of preserving lemons. To get your supplies together, you need lemons and sugar, and what we're going to do is cut up the lemons and use that inner juicy part for lemonades or hot lemon tea, of course, and cut up the lemon rind, peel out that pithy part as much as you possibly can, cut it up into small pieces, and then boil that 3 times in water until it comes to a simmering boil. Drain it off 3 times so you're getting rid of that really bitter taste. Combine sugar and water. I would say about 2 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water. Bring that to a boil, add your peels, and let that come to a simmer until that inner pulp becomes transparent. Once that becomes transparent, you take away the syrup. You can keep that for your water kefir drinks, for more lemonades, and the peels you put onto a tray to let dry for some time. After letting the lemon peels dry a little bit, after you boiled them 3 times and then put the sugar in, now we just let them dry, and the final step is to coat them in sugar. There's so much sugar involved. They're really tasty. I'm just trying not to lick my fingers after every dip. And after that, they're pretty much finished. You got candied lemon peel. The sugar will start to absorb and make them a bit more crunchy. So just rotating the lemons in the sugar. Welcome to the camper. As it's lemon season, winter on Crete, we have a lot of lemons. And there's lots of things we can do with lemons. You can candy them. And right now, we're going to preserve them in salt. This is more of a Moroccan method, salted lemons. But it's pretty easy. You need lemons and salt. And I just sterilized this jar with hot water, so it should be fine and ready. And what we're gonna do is just slice off the little edges here, because in the end we actually use absolutely all of the lemon except for the seeds. The peel and everything, the salt will make that bitterness more mild and go away. So if your lemon has any funky bits on it that you maybe wouldn't want to eat, we just cut those off. There we go. And we're gonna try to get almost all of these lemons in there. So in this one jar, and just using the juice from lemons and the salt. All right, so I'm gonna cut them in half first. There's lots of ways to do this. I'm gonna do it the way I like to eat my lemons best. So first in half, and then we're gonna cut it into quarters, but not all the way through. Try just to go to the very end and not go all the way through. So just like that. And we're gonna sprinkle salt in there in a bit. If you want, you can take out the seeds, but not totally necessary right now. You can do that later. Okay. Okay. I can even squeeze some of the lemon juice into the jar first. Alright. And then put quite a bit of salt. This is again using the local sea salt from here. And you want to get the salt right inside the lemons. So just keep putting the lemons in there with grains of salt. If you're lucky enough, you can have real sea salt like this and fill up the jar right up to the top. And in the next days, I'm going to be opening this up and pushing it down so that everything gets really submerged. And all of this salt is actually drawing a lot of the water out of the lemons and the skin as well. And you want to let it, you know, ferment outside of the fridge for a good month or two. You can even allow it to be outside of the fridge for 4 months or so, and then put it in the fridge. Some people don't even ever put it in the fridge, but it will accumulate different flavors over time. Alright, just keep pushing it down and pushing it down. You can see already the lemon juice coming up. And if you want to wait just, you know, half an hour, come back to it, and we'll push it down again tomorrow, push it down, and so that everything is submerged under its own juice. And I'll even put a weight on there later. So Moroccan style salted lemons, also a form of fermentation. Just after about an hour, you're going to see that all the juices have been drawn out of the lemons by the salt, and just keep pushing it down. Add some more lemons or even a weight to keep them all under the juices. Hope you enjoyed this episode all about preserving lemons. Edible Alchemy is meeting with locals here on Crete, learning these traditional methods. For example, how to collect sea snails, how to collect land snails, how to collect the local flora here and prepare it in different ways. And so using this exchange of knowledge, we're hoping to bring these things back to you. And if you're interested to join Edible Alchemy here on Crete, send us a message. This is something more in the future, coming year. We're happy to have your interest and curiosity. So keep in contact and see you in the next episode.